Hi guys, welcome to the my channel. Farouk Adventures. Human visitors. This footprint was made on the moon's surface during the Apollo I mission. As the brightest object in the night sky, the moon has always fascinated humankind. We have made up stones to explain it and built telescopes to observe it. The moon is the only celestial body, or object in space, upon which humans have landed. Were the first people on the moon. The first men on the moon were Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin of their Apollo I mission. They landed on the moon on the 20th of July 1996. As Armstrong set foot on the moon, he said, "This is one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind's." Lunar eclipse. As the moon passes through the Earth's shadow, the sun's blue light is scattered by Earth's atmosphere, the remaining red light is refracted, or bent, into Earth's shadow. This makes the moon appear red. Phases of the moon. The moon appears to wax, grow, and wane, shrink, every 29.53 days, as we see its sunny side from different angles. What is waxing? Over the first 2 weeks of each month, we see more of moon's bright side until full moon. As the moon appears to grow, we say that it waxing. How long is a month? It takes the moon 27.3 days to circle the Earth, but 29.53 days one full moon to the next, because the Earth moving as well. A lunar month is the 29.53 days cycle. Our calendar month are entirely artificial. What is a lunar eclipse? As the moon goes around the Earth, sometimes it passes right into Earth's shadow, where sunlight is blocked off. This is a lunar eclipse. If you look at the moon during this time, you can see the dark disk of the Earth's shadow creeping across the moon. What is a harvest moon? The harvest moon is the full moon nearest the autumnal equinox, when night and day are off equal length. This moon hangs bright above the eastern horizon for several evenings, providing a good light for harvesters. Top question. What is a new moon? The moon appears to change shape during the month because, as it circles the Earth, we see its bright, sunny side from a different angle. At the new moon lies between the Earth and the Sun, and we catch only a crescent-shaped glimpse of its bright side.